Maintain your baseboard appearance with simple ongoing care that prevents scratches, scuffs, and separation. Clean baseboards weekly using a microfiber cloth dampened with warm water and a few drops of mild dish soap, wiping from top to bottom to avoid streaks. For dust and grooves, use a soft bristle toothbrush or a paintbrush to lift debris before wiping. For painted baseboards, keep a small amount of matching paint and a 1/4-inch artist brush on hand for touch-ups. Lightly sand any rough spot with fine grit sandpaper, dust, then apply thin coats, letting each dry fully to blend with the surrounding finish. For wood baseboards, use a wood cleaner or a mixture of white vinegar and water at a 1:4 ratio for deeper cleaning, then condition with a product appropriate for the finish, such as a paste wax for natural wood or a furniture polish rated for sealed surfaces. Address gaps between baseboard and wall by re-caulking with a paintable latex caulk. Run a smooth bead with a caulk gun, then smooth with a wet finger or a caulk finishing tool and paint once cured. Protect high traffic areas by installing a clear chair rail or by applying a low-tack clear film temporarily during moves and renovations, and avoid kicking or leaning heavy items against baseboards. When repairing gouges in wood, use a wood filler tinted to match, let it cure, sand flush, and finish with stain or paint to restore a seamless look. Common mistakes include using harsh chemicals that strip paint or finish, which you can avoid by testing cleaners in an inconspicuous spot and sticking with mild solutions, using too much water, which can swell or warp wood, so always wring your cloth thoroughly, and ignoring small gaps that lead to bigger problems, so inspect baseboards quarterly and re-caulk promptly when you see cracks. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and connect with others facing similar home care questions. We provide a discussion community where we share tips, ask for recommendations, and help contractors find jobs and homeowners find the right people for maintenance and repairs.